In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a backup and restore it in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project, then click Project Settings and open the Backups tab. To create a manual backup, click New Backup, enter an optional description and save it. Webflow will create a snapshot of your project. To restore a backup, open the Backups tab and browse the available backup versions. You can preview a backup before restoring it if needed. When you've found the version you want, click the three-dot menu next to the backup and select Restore. Confirm the action to replace your current project with that backup. After the restore is complete, review your project to make sure everything looks correct, then publish your site if required. That's how to create a backup and restore it in Webflow. Thanks for watching.